tricks for the home seller. Great curb appeal. This is your first thing that they see as they come to your house. Make sure the bushes and lawns are neat and trimmed, the weeds are gone, and no garbage or old cars. So what are they staring at while the realtor gets the key? The front door. Make sure that it's clean and welcoming. Clean the house. This is the cheapest improvement. You can do it to increase your home's value. Be thorough. Clean the baseboards, grout, everything. No one wants to buy a dirty home. Get rid of the clutter. Clean the windows. It makes it sparkle inside. And open the blinds. No smells, please. None. Air out the house. No cooking or pet smells. No smoking. Tidy up. No dirty laundry should be seen, and no dirty dishes in the sink. Lights on. Light it up. Don't be cheap. This is advertising. And speaking of which, no one is going to focus on your house if they are freezing or sweating. Adjust the thermostat so that they will be comfortable. And if your garage is a mess, tidy it. They can't see what they can put in the garage. And this is stuff you're not going to need in your new house anyway. And please put your pets away so that they don't get in the way. And some people are afraid of pets anyway.